Stop paying for idle bots. With Excellence's consumption-based RPA, you pay only for what you use, no wasted costs. Traditional RPA charges for idle bots, with high upfront costs and limited scalability. Excellence's consumption-based RPA offers a pay-as-you-go model with no waste. Pick tasks to automate. Deploy bots on demand. Pay only for usage. And scale as needed, no contracts, no waste. Switch to a consumption-based RPA model and unlock these benefits. Save up to 60%, achieve faster ROI, and boost productivity without upfront costs or maintenance hassle. Stop overpaying. Scale smarter with pay-as-you-use RPA. Ready to optimize?